Hey ladies, look what came in the mail. This is Color Street's new nail polish remover, and I have not tried it yet, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but I thought it would be super fun to try it here with you. That way we could all see how this new product works. So I'm gonna open this up here. I have done my nails specifically for this video. I did a French, I did a solid, I did a glitter, and I did 3 layers of glitter on this nail. I wanted to really put this to the test because we all know glitters are the hardest to remove. So this nail has 3 layers of glitter on it. We're gonna see how this works. So I just got me a cotton ball and I'm gonna try this. So there's a little tab I'm gonna open. I don't know if you can see that. I am so glad that they made it such a priority to make these leak-proof, because we all know what a mess that can be. Okay, so I'm just gonna get some on my cotton ball here, and what I usually do for my nails is once I didn't get much on there, here we go. What I usually do is I will go ahead and put some on all of the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these nails. Usually this is how I do it, that way it just gets the remover working. So we're gonna start with the French nail. And as we know, French nails have basically 2 layers because they have the color layer and then they have that clear overlay layer. So the clear overlay layer is gone. And the color layer is completely gone. Completely gone. Now we're gonna do the solid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, done. I think I could have even been done at 3. Wow, that is so fast. Okay guys, now to the glitter layer. The one we know is always the hardest. So 1, whoop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm counting my twists. That was about 8 or 9. Done, all done. And now we're gonna try the triple layer. And you can see I haven't even re-dabbed this. This is still the same, dab of the remover that I did the first time. So we're gonna try the triple layer. Here we go. I don't have a good grasp on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it's mostly off. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The reason I'm counting this is because I want to try it against some other removers. So that's why I'm counting. What are we at? 16, 17? We'll just say 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, almost off. 26, 27. Just got a little bit in the corners yet. So we'll count that as like 30 swipes, 30 twists. Like how fast is that? 1, 2, 3, and that's triple layers of glitter, and most people will do triple layers of glitter. Super, super fast and easy. I'm gonna just do this one pinky left. So this is a solid. So you can see, it's that fast. That was like 1, 2, off. That is crazy. So some things you might want to know about a remover. It is non-acetone. It is made in the US and it is made specifically for our Color Street nail strips, which means, in my opinion, we end up using a lot less remover. And as you saw, I just used that one cotton ball for my whole hand, and there's really enough left on it to use on my other hand too. So you can see we're gonna use so much less of our remover. Okay, so now I wanna try this against Mineral Fusion, because that is the question we all have, right? How does this compare to Mineral Fusion? So I'm gonna get out my Mineral Fusion bottle and we're gonna try it. First off, look at the size difference. Mineral Fusion is so much smaller than Color Street. It's 2 ounces smaller. So let's try it out and see how it works compared to the Color Street. And it's kind of a little bit not a fair comparison, because some of my I don't, you can't probably see that in the video, but some of my color streak is already coming off just from working on this hand, but be that as it may, we'll give Mineral a little bit of a head start. So I have the same situation on this hand. I have a French, I did a solid, I did a glitter, I did a triple glitter, and then I have another solid here. So we're gonna try this and see how it works. So here's my Mineral Fusion cotton ball. We're gonna try it on my French first. Okay, the clear part is off. And the color part is off. Now we're gonna go to my solid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a little bit in the corner still. So we'll say about 5 or 6 on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the glitter. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's coming, it's almost off. It's just got the corners. Gotta do the corners here. Okay, so I can see right off the bat, this is taking me about twice as long as the color street already, and I will be honest with you guys, Mineral Fusion really damaged my nails. So you can see I used most of the bottle and I really noticed a difference on my nails being dried out. And thankfully Color Street's polish remover is made specifically with things to nourish your nails and moisturize your nails, which I didn't even know you can moisturize your nails with a nail polish remover. So I am so excited to try this, and hopefully it will be much gentler on my nails than Mineral Fusion was. Okay, so that's the glitter one all off, and I think I still have enough on here to do the triple glitter. I'll probably have to go back for more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think about the first layer of glitter is off there, and I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna need it. What was that, 14, 15? We'll say 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, this is where we're at. On 30, I was off with Color Street. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Still got glitter on there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now I just got basically that edge is left. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. We'll just say 60. So that's that one, and then I'm gonna just do the solids since I'm at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's mostly off. Just got the corners, so we'll just say about 8. All right, so that is our comparison of these two nail polish removers. As you can see, Mineral Fusion took me about twice as long, and I had to use about twice as much. And I will be honest with you, this bottle has been sitting in my bathroom cabinet. I had to stop using it because it was really damaging my nails. So I was looking for something that was non-acetone, that was gentle on my nails, and that would actually work. So I was so excited when Color Street came out with their nail polish remover. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm so happy for this. And I want to show you the nails I'm going to do next because, you know, we love to see that. The top one is Love Shack, our clear overlay, and the bottom one is Crantastic. These are so gorgeous together, and I'm so excited to do these. So I hope this was helpful for you. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.